Any mention?
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Lordship. Yes. Similar matter is pending in the division bench, Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
When shall we list it then?
3 weeks.
3 weeks. Take the last one. Make it 3 weeks. Yes. Take it.
Hello.
Wait, please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12. Lordship, I pray that this matter may become about 3 weeks, Lordship.
We have no objection. 3 weeks on the prayer made on behalf of the petitioner. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Obliged.
My lord, if it may please this honorable court, although this matter is not stipulated for to be taken up today, this matter is rather very urgent and pressing, so I'm making a mention, my lord. This matter came up before this honorable court on the 22nd of October for motion. Sri Albert Danny Blah versus State of Meghalaya, criminal petition 71 of 2025. So what has happened, my lord, in this instant case is that we have come to, my learned colleague had submitted that there were certain typographical errors in the petition. Along with that, some new developments have also come to our attention, which needs to be incorporated in this petition and which is very significant and pertinent to this instant case. So my humble submission before this honorable court is that we may be allowed to withdraw this petition with the liberty to file afresh.
It has to be listed first. Then only. We will give a memo, we will get it listed on Monday.
My lord, this matter has been listed on the 3rd of November for motion.
Remember.
So
we do it on that day. What is the urgency of withdrawal today?
we have to very urgently withdraw this
it is
matter
coming
and
up on Monday. We'll do it on Monday. Once it is listed for Monday, it will come up on Monday.
my lord, if you may kindly please take a
There is no
lenient
urgency.
view.
There is no urgency. Seems like, Mister. It is not that you can withdraw it and move a petition tomorrow. Tomorrow is a holiday.
No, we were planning to file it on Monday itself so that the matter can be taken up on Tuesday.
That we do not know. That is, if it is coming up on Monday. Anyway, give it. Just will it be possible? No, this is again the court will have to sit in the division bench and all. Not possible, Mister. Today it will come up on Monday. Things are very uncertain. Not possible.
Highly obliged, my lord.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 7, lordship. Lordship, senior counsel is indisposed.
We do not know. You see, this matter, what is to be done? Shall we adjourn it for 6 months at a time? No, if you parties agree, then we will do that. If they are not interested, matter can be closed. I think one of the oldest matter, maybe the oldest matter, 2014. We do not know what advantage is gained by keeping this matter pending. Yes, Dr. Mojiga. 2014 matter. 3 weeks on prayer of the petitioner or not object to the respondent. List after 3 weeks. Yes. Okay.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 9.
Who is appearing in item number? Who is appearing for the state, Mr. Item 9?
I'm the representative for the state, Your Lordship.
The court is asking you, at least respond.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Same or 9 also. Yes.
Obliged, lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 13.
Yes.
in this case, on the last occasion, we have both the parties have agreed to explore the possibility of settlement.
Yes.
So accordingly, the matter was referred to the regional office, New India Insurance at Guwahati. So we are waiting for the instructions from. So praying for 3 weeks time, Your Lordship.
No objection.
Correct. So have you
Communicated.
you have
Lordship.
recorded in the last order that
Yes, it's
party
recorded,
will explore the
Yes,
possibilities.
yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. It is the Land Council appealing of the parties prays that some more time may be granted to the parties to finalize to come to a settlement in the matter. As the negotiations going on between the parties. View of the submission, and this is met after 3 weeks. Yes.
Much obliged.
Lordship may mention item number 11, Lordship.
Item 11, yes.
Lordship. Just 2 weeks time will be given, Lordship, for hearing.
Is that outside?
They should have informed us that they're taking time, Lordship.
This is not very common here. That is done. Prayer made on behalf of the petitioner. When do you want it?
Just 2 weeks time, Lordship.
After 2 weeks. Yes.
Right, Lordship.
Supplementary cause list, item number 1.
Yes. Yes, who is appealing for the petitioner here?
Yes, Lordship. My lord.
They are yesterday's matters, my lord. Those land acquisition matters.
No. Item number 1 is different, sir. That will start from.
This is number 2, Mr. Dr. Majika. First one is a motion matter.
My lord, here the petitioner, there are 6 petitioners here in the lordship. This is a quashing of the criminal proceeding pending at the court of Circuit Court, Fulbari lordship. This section charge sheet under that is 326 and 447 lordship. Now here the complainant, that is the respondent number 2 lordship, and the petitioner herein, they are the family members, like the
There are 2 more sections, 506 and
and
34.
447. 447 and slash 34. 447 the trespass lordship. Now lordship, they are the family members, brothers, like brothers.
Who are the family members?
Here the respondent, the informant. Informant is the brother of the petitioner number 2 lordship, and the sister-in-law. And one is the sister-in-law of the petitioner number.
They are within from one
The
family.
and the nephew and niece lordship.
Okay.
So now lordship, what happened after the charge sheet lordship? They have entered into a settlement since it's a family dispute lordship.
So settlement is there.
Yes, lordship. So what I pray lordship, let notice
Where is that settlement?
lordship will find at page 83 lordship. 81.
81.
That one of the accused, who is the brother of the informant, he also died, lordship. So after that, there was some negotiation by the elders. Then it was settled.
Whether all those petitioners and respondents are parties to this?
Yes, lordship. Yes, lordship.
Okay. We'll issue notice.
Yes.
Lordship.
I'll issue notice in 3 weeks, return over in 3 weeks. Then as additional on it, PP appears for the respondent number 1. Petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 2 within 2 days. List after 3 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Item number 2 to 15.
There is one difficulty, as you have pointed out.
Lordship.
There is no question of preparation of any draft award at this stage. Can it be? What the schemes is? How accusation proceeding is initiated?
Lordship, as per the Act, Lordship, notification will have to be issued then.
No, before that, what is the process to be before it decides to issue notification under?
Lordship, survey first will go.
But then
Then
there has to be-
identify the land and all.
there has to be a request for doing so, isn't it?
Lordship,
Now,
then
if this land is to be acquired for the use of Union of India, there must be some communication between the state and the union.
because what happened, Your Lordship, as you have submitted yesterday, Your Lordship, these are very old, from 80s, 90s and all. That is
No, but then the official
and they
departmental-
also they have come very lately, Your Lordship.
That I dispute, my lord, because as I pointed out,
Just let us come to see. We are not coming to all the merits of the thing till now because you see, we are at the preliminary.
wrong submission has been made. That is I'm pointing out, my lord, because what Dr. Mozika has pointed out yesterday, that earlier the pillar was erected. We could have utilized the
See,
land.
these are all factual aspects which may be relevant when your claims come for consideration. Right now, see, Mr. Day, we are not into
Because
we,
what was
we
been
want to know
submitted?
whether a real process was initiated or not. That is the main thing.
What the additional advocate general has submitted, that these are all old case, that fact is not correct, my lord.
Anyway, so Mr. Sulai, there must be some records available. Is whether parties have filed their affidavit here, Union or
Yes,
district?
Yes.
we filed, Your Lord.
What do you say in your affidavit? This is something you see the court probably on the last few occasions when the repeatedly time was granted for filing for preparation of draft award, probably that should not have been done. And especially when you all leading senior counsels are appearing here, you should have pointed out to the court.
If my lord may kindly come.
There is one letter I placed on record. That is a letter dated 10th June 25. What is the stand of the state here?
My lord may kindly come to page 4 of the affidavit filed by the state.
Which matter? In WPC 352.
WPC 408, my lord. 408 of.
First item. Here,
let's
number
go to
352.
These are all connected, my lord.
That is okay, but then let us start go serially. 352. We are dealing with 352. Let us see 352.
352 kadi.
It should not be that we should not pass any order in hush manner. You see, like this often leads to some situation which becomes incorrigible. That is a problem. To go blindly by the submission of the parties also become very dangerous. This is something, especially when senior counsels are. The frontline-
Lordship, let the matter be taken. Let the matter be taken up individually, Your Lordship.
See,
Individual,
Mr.
let them
Sulai,
matter.
Mr.
Yes,
Sulai, this was tagged together, rightly or wrongly, we do not know. If it is to be segregated, we will see it, but then we just want to know what is the situation now. 352.
352, Lordship. We filed the affidavit, Your
Who is the
Lordship.
regional council? And what is the prayer there?
352.
Mr. P.T. Sarma.
352, this is land to proceed with the land acquisition proceeding, Your Lordship.
To proceed with the
Lordship,
litigation proceeding. So there is the accusation, isn't it?
Lordship,
what?
yes.
If there is a accusation, then accusation proceeding.
And in that case, Your Lordship, we have filed the affidavit in the year 2022, Your Lordship.
What your affidavit says there?
If Lordship kindly have,
What is your stand? Do you say that the litigation proceeding has been initiated here?
Lordship kindly have come to page 3 at paragraph 9.
What is the difficulty in telling whether you say it is initiated or not initiated?
Lordship, in fact, the plan and the estimate we have, the state has already submitted to the Ministry, Your Lordship, Government of India. Lordship kindly have page 11.
Page 11 of your affidavit.
Lordship, yes.
Affidavit on behalf of respondent number
This is respondent number 1 to 4.
filed on 23/9.
Lordship.
Filed on 23/9/2022.
No, the first affidavit, Your Lordship, that is on 28/3/2022.
How many affidavits you have filed?
Lordship, it appears there are 2 affidavits.
And there is an affidavit in compliance with order. What was the order to be complied with?
That is the order. There is another affidavit filed on 23/9/22, Your Lordship. That is in compliance of the order dated 11/8/22, Your Lordship.
What is that order about? What that order about? What was that order?
Your Lordship, just yeah. By the aspirant that may also bring the same report by your affidavit. Lordship, it is a very short order. I say like this. Submit that the instruction have been received with regard to the query as posted by this court by the order dated 16/6/2022, and pray that they may be allowed to bring the same on record by way of an affidavit. Accordingly, 3 weeks' time is allowed. What is
What
that?
was the query then?
Then,
You see, matter had proceeded to some extent so far as things are concerned. We do not know how those matters came to be clubbed together. Yesterday, after the courtroom thing, this court was realizing that how this case.
Lordship,
from
this is on
2020. Yes.
This was placed earlier also.
That is only with regard to South Garo Hills. Isn't it? Okay, Southwest Garo Hills. That is one district. Now, is it not that the rate is basically decided by the collector? It is none of your concern.
Yes.
You are not supposed to verify that what they have done it or not. If you have your own assessing process, you come and you do the assessment. No, what were you given this letter then? What you are trying to project by placing this letter before the court? Please come this side, Dr. Majid. Please come.
My lord, this letter says, my lord, the state has to send a comprehensive proposal for whatever award or draft award. May I read para 2 and 3, my lord?
Yes,
In this,
yes, please.
in this context, it is stated the Revenue and Disaster Management Department has forwarded 7 numbers final draft award for state so and so without any supporting documents, causing problem in assessing the actual amount land compensation. However, a copy of draft award for state number so and so under litigation in 13 new writ petitions before the Honorable High Court of Meghalaya is yet to be received. In view of the above, State of Meghalaya is once again requested to send a fresh comprehensive proposal to the Ministry by mentioning all the relevant provisions of the Act and revise the land compensation estimates have been prepared, along with a certificate undertaking under signature of the concerned district collector that no land acquisition was done before and no payment has been made in past for the above projects.
Now, is it not for the collector to assess the thing and all, and thereafter you proceed with things? Now, can it be basis for not releasing the amount? That you are not satisfied with the assessment or the collector assessment is not supported by document.
Madam, may I take your lordship to the affidavit? Madam?
We'll do some more day. We'll sort out everything. That will be better.
Your affidavit filed on which date? Is it respond number 14 and 15?
5, 6, 7, 8. The two affidavits filed. Respond 5, 6, 7, 8. This is filed in February 22, madam. Most probably 16th February.
Yes, which page you are referring?
I'll refer to annexure page 11, my lord.
Yes.
This is a letter from Ministry, my lord, Department of Board Management to Chief Secretary Government Meghalaya, 23rd March 21. Para 2B, my lord. This is
Yes.
other state. Land acquisition for construction of border fencing under phase 3 along Indo-Bangladesh border in Meghalaya state, border post number so and so to border post number so and so so and so. An amount of 5 crore so and so had been deposited on 29/12/2009 by NBCC with the state government. The fence work had been completed and handed over to BSF in 2012. However, mutation of land has not been transferred in the name of BSF.
Now that is with regard to South Garo Hills.
Yes, ma'am. But southwest,
This is South Garo Hills. Paragraph B is with regard to South Garo Hills.
I think South Garo West, Southwest Garo was carved out of South Garo at 21. Before that,
This is a letter of 2023, isn't it?
21.
2021. Now, if how many writ petitions concern those areas? This border post number so and so to so and so. Which are the writ petitions which concerns this part? This is the writ petition. This is the only writ petition.
Lordship, if I may,
Please.
I may submit, Your Lordship. If I may pray, Your Lordship, if this matter can be taken up on some other day, Your Lordship, we'll try to sort out, Your Lordship.
That is better.
Better to, I will sort out the.
Please do it,
Yeah,
because
we'll do that,
see,
yeah.
you should not
So
pass
that,
some order.
so that is, it will be convenient for the court, Your Lordship.
At least do not make the court pass
Yes,
some order
Lord.
which situation doesn't.
We'll do, Lordship, can you have on some other day, Lord?
Is that all right with you, Dr. Mojika? Yes.
Just I want to point out one thing, my lord. If my lord may kindly produce writ petition number 408, my lord. The things are getting more complicated, my lord, by the papers which has been placed now. But
This is a part of the affidavit. Dr. Mojika says, what is the affidavit?
yes, I will point out. We'll do it. No issue. Only 408, my lord, if my lord may produce the affidavit which is in file by respondent number 5, 6, and 7. That is the state government.
The 567 is state government.
State government affidavit. Now, my lord, may kindly see para 6, my lord. Para 6 in page 2.
It concerns which district? Your
South Garo Hills. And Southwest Garo Hills has been carved out of West Garo Hills, my lord, not South Garo Hills. Southwest.
We will.
We'll sort out, Your Lordship.
We'll
We'll sort out all this
go to
thing, Your
history now.
You need
This is not a
more
certain matter,
instruction
this is a
to be
fact.
acquitted with it.
Mr. Sangma is there, he can enlighten, my lord. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Sangma is another dangerous person. Where he will lead you do not know.
My lord, may kindly produce para 6, my lord,
Yes. Para 6 of their affidavit.
of their affidavit, page 2, my lord. That with regard to the environment made.
Allow the court to come.
My lord, we go.
Yes.
My lord, with regard to the environment made at para 5 of the writ petition, the answering deponent state that the estimate cost of the land acquisition has been submitted for an amount of so and so, my lord.
Yes.
So that means it has been assessed and the proposal has been made. Now, my lord,
Now, when this affidavit was filed?
that this affidavit has been filed in 2022, but the date is not mentioned, April
So
2022.
that means this affidavit comes after the letter which Dr. Mojika was pointed out.
Exactly, my
pointed
lord.
out just.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord, may kindly peruse page 4 of that affidavit, para 11. I will just read out, my lord. My lord may not produce also. In one of the paragraphs, it is written, and the land acquisition proceeding has been completed in the affidavit. However, no fund was received from by the undersigned for the remaining 23 numbers of village, including the petitioner village, duly submitted the requisite requiring agency under the provision of so and so, so and so, so and so. So the land acquisition proceeding has been completed, my lord. And if the state now wake up and say, my lord, that we have not approached and all, we have refused to file complaints.
The affidavit is there. So only thing is the money is to.
Yes, my
the
lord.
state is not doing anything for itself. See, it's doing for the union. Isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
So union has to pay the money.
Yes, my lord. And
That is what-
if they are saying that, my lord, that the proceeding has not been completed and all this, and these are all false statements been made, my lord.
You see, we are slipping over the matter for past few occasions and passing order blindly. On the basis of the submission of the.
Well, that is primarily on the basis of the 10th June letter which I placed on. On the basis of that, the state has
Whatever
requested.
submission has been made.
See,
is
Not
on the
only that,
basis
my
of
lord,
the instruction,
thereafter
Your Honor.
several
Dr.
meetings have.
Motika, the first thing is that these matters concern different places. Some places acquisition proceeding was initiated, some places not. So there was no question of clubbing those matters together.
Yes, my lord. The thing has become more puzzle, my lord, after the
And
clubbing of this.
it was clubbed. And none of the parties ever raised any objection or any grievance with regard to that.
No, because
And the common order was
because
passed.
basically this is all relating to same border fencing matters.
No, no.
Court has to decide on the basis of the materials on record and on the basis of evidence.
Where
We
is
cannot
Southwest
tell
Garo Hills
you
and
to
where is
pass
South Garo Hills?
compensation, pay compensation in a case where acquisition proceeding has not been drawn up.
As I pointed out, the state demanded 5.94 crore. We have paid to the state.
But this is which
That,
area?
at that point of time.
This is area. If we have to identify then which area
That is for, if I'm not mistaken, my lord, that is for Ampati. Ampati is Southwest Garo Hills headquarter, my lord.
How do we locate it? Do you have sufficient materials on the record to locate it? That this compensation was.
Well, it depends. We have to look at with a border pillar number, man.
Amount, how much amount they have deposited, this is on record, Lordship.
So we'll do one thing. Then we'll
But-
have it on.
If my lord may kindly please to segregate.
On all cases, affidavit.
Yes, my lord. If the two cases can be separated, my lord, there are two set of cases. One is for Ampati, one is for Bagmara.
For separating also, we have to determine which matter is.
Because this Bagmara is Southwest Garo Hills, my lord, South Garo Hills, and Ampati is Southwest. It's two different states.
You see, if you make a prayer for segregation after this,
We'll
it
sort
is
out
only
this
on your prayer. On your prayer, it was clubbed together.
No, it was not my prayer, my lord.
There is some prayer is here.
That is
We
why
have
I am
seen
praying,
the
Lordship, since he has started, Lordship, since that there are two matters, Lordship, with regard to Southwest. And so far as Southwest is concerned, that we have received the 10% compensation and the remaining is yet to be, there is no dispute, Lordship. So what I am praying, Lordship, if that two matters are segregated from the other matters, Lordship, that will be.
Let us first see which matter is what. How this matter came to be segregated. Or how this came to be clubbed. Let us see. It is not by the court. It is on the basis of the submission made by the council. It cannot be by the court. But then you say none of you have made that prayer.
Come on.
Your Lordship, order dated 31/1/2023. That's how the matters got clubbed up together. 31st January 2023, Your Lordship. It was, I think, pointed out by Mr. P.T. Sangma.
Order dated? What did you say, Mr.?
31st of January 2023, Your Lordship.
31st of January 2023. Let us see. Let us find out who is the main culprit.
Is there order? It's open now.
Petition number 27 of 2019, Lordship. With regard to Southwest. Because he has filed some other cases with regard to South Garo Hills also, Lordship. Because only one matter he has filed, that is with Southwest. Number 14.
So there was one writ petition, one person part of two writ petition also. Part of two writ petition also. One person filed two writ petition. This also has been pointed out by the government advocate. So there is nothing is indicated who has made the prayer for clubbing it together.
There is one order, Your Lordship. There is an order, Lordship, for the clubbing.
Where is that?
Might be
Order
not
is there,
in-
but then that is not been said that how this
Not
prayer-
in 352, not in WPC 352, Your Lordship, in some other matter.
in some
There is
other-
an order for clubbing.
What is the first
Yeah,
matter?
Your Lordship.
What is the first matter in the list? 352.
352 is the lead matter, no? Yes. 352 is the
352 is the lead matter.
lead matter, Your Lordship.
No, this, you see, court cannot, or court basically will not order clubbing of matters until and unless there is a
Submission
prayer by the
made.
parties to do it. How court will not know whether these are arising out of the same cause of action or not.
But we'll check it out, madam.
We'll check it out, Your Lordship.
Whether there is specific order clubbing
Yeah.
or they're just listed together, madam.
This matter will
Even
be
that is
South-
possible also.
South Garowe,
Which one?
that matter. Well,
352. 352 is South Garowe.
Yes, that word Mr.
No, but then,
Petitioner might made it
but
clear.
then what has been indicated by Mr. Pasque, it is, this is the order where it says list with along with all other petition numbers.
Yes, Lordship, that only two writ petition, that is item number 14 and 15, relates to Southwest, Lordship.
Represented by which lawyer?
Writ petition number 27.
Represented by which lawyer?
Petition number 1 and
Is
myself.
you are representing how many?
Item number 15, Lordship.
And Mr. Day?
My lord, I am for item number 3 to 9, my lord.
And Mr. Pasque?
Respondent, madam.
Your Lordship, I am the respondent, one of the respondents.
NBCC, Your
I
Lordship.
am the implementing agency here, Your Lordship.
Under you.
No, that is the
That is
acquiring
including-
department, Your Lordship.
The implementing agency, my lord.
But then
Implementing agency.
Implementing.
Well, I'm appearing for BSF and Government of India, my lord. We gave the contract to NBCC.
okay. So that is why MPCC. But then MPCC otherwise not directly.
But the NBCC is involved because the agreement contract between Government of India and NBCC is that land
That is
compensation.
okay, but then so far as accusation is concerned, he is not. MPCC so far as the contract is concerned.
Execution.
No,
The
the
problem
agreement
is that-
says that NBCC
The problem is that what
for
order this
land
court should
compensation.
pass at this stage, Mr. In view of the earlier order passed, this is what becomes problem.
Let come, my lord. We will
We'll
sort
sort out,
it
Your
out.
Lordship.
We'll
Sort out.
prepare a chart, which one is which board
See,
of
all along this court had granted time
Yes, ma'am.
for preparation of draft order. Now, yesterday Mr. Shulai has made submission on the basis of his instruction that in 13 villages, with regard to 23 villages, no proceeding was at all drawn.
That is on the basis.
So question of preparation of draft order doesn't arise.
But the affidavit
You can,
speak-
if you want something, you can call them for estimate the probable cost for acquisition proceeding. If you want something to be done, but then in such a case, this is done after you send a requisition. That was the provision in relation to the old act. I do not know if new act says something different.
Yes, ma'am. There is a requisition, then collector issues notification, section 4, section 6. Now the sections have changed, ma'am.
Now the problem is that what order is this court should pass today.
Just simply adjourn, Your Lordship. Just simply adjourn on their on request.
Yes, when shall we have it?
On
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
It is adjourned on the understanding that on the next day you will clarify the
Yes,
situation.
we'll try to
After?
on 20, Your Lordship.
Why?
20?
What is also the auspicious about that date?
Lordship, because next week is only 2 days.
So we'll have it after 1 week or 2 weeks or whatever you say.
12, 13, 14.
14th, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks, we'll have it after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay, just one prayer made by the, one joint request made by the parties. This is matter after 2 weeks. Please apply your mind to the thing and then just.
Lordship.
This is this has become a mess, and there are many other proceedings we are doing like that.
This has become mess, ma'am. This is
This
very,
become-
very difficult to which case is which land.
See,
where.
it is just because the matters are clubbed together. There was no reason. Otherwise, he could have sorted out. Yes.
Oblige, Your Lord.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged, Your
Bill
Lordship.
list, item number 1.
Mr. Sheikh will do the segregation on the next day, depending on
All
this.
right.
Yes.
Pass.
Here, please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, due to the senior conducting counsel, it's on bereavement. So, I pray this matter may be taken up after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Is it all right? Yes.
Lordship, and then the
One prayer
interim stay may be
One prayer
continued.
made on behalf of the non senior counsel, appearing for the petitioner, comma, the matter stands urgent, list after 3 weeks. And in the miss case, just say list along with the main case. The interim order passed already shall continue till the irreturnable date. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Item number 2.
Your Lordship, this matter notice has been issued and it was served, Your Lordship.
Yes, you have to file the
Yes, Your Lordship.
affidavit.
I have filed the
It
affidavit
has
of
been
service.
served.
Yes, Your Lordship. As per the report, it is served.
What is the matter about, sir?
It's challenging the impugned order which was passed by the learned trial court district council, Your Lordship, rejecting the application which was preferred under Order 7 Rule 11, Your Lordship.
You filed an application under Order 7 Rule 11.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And that was rejected.
And it was rejected. It was rejected despite the fact that there's a glaring indication in the plane itself, Your Lordship, that
Oh, there are
the
two-
matter was barred.
Two affidavits filed, service affidavit, isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship. On the first occasion,
Okay. First occasion there was no certificate. No, second occasion you obtained certificate.
yes, Your Lordship.
It is delivered on 27/9/2025.
27, yes, Your Lordship.
Veronica G. Bathio.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Okay. Deputy. Just a minute. This. Yes, let's say an affidavit showing the factum of delivery of notice upon the respondent, but upon the sole respondent. There is only one respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Has been filed by the petitioner. Stop. As per the affidavit, comma, the respondent was served on 27/9/2025. Stop. However, there is no appearance on behalf of the said respondent when the matter is called out today. What is to be done?
Your Lordship, let it be proceeded for ex parte, Your Lordship.
You don't want to wait another day for
Maybe a final chance may be given, Your Lordship.
Good. Just say, as prayed for, list this matter after 2 weeks to enable the appearance of the respondent. We'll just see, if not, then we'll proceed ex parte.
I do.
Yes.
Item number 3.
List account India. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. It's fixed for orders, Your Lordship. We have received the
Objection.
affidavit filed by the opposite party.
We filed the objection, Lordship.
So we can list it for
Hearing, Your Lordship, on the next date.
correct. Okay. It is submitted. It is submitted by the. It is submitted by MS GC Marak. You are appealing for response number 6.
Yes, Lordship.
Landed Council is appealing for the response number 6. That An objection has been filed. So, submitting that objection on behalf of the judge respondent has been filed. Stop. Learned counsel appearing for the parties submit that the matter is ready for hearing. And paragraph is paid for when?
After 4 weeks, Your Lordship.
After 3 weeks. After as paid for with the parties. A list for hearing. List. After 3 weeks for hearing. Yes.
Thank you, Your Lordship. Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 4.
Yes, Mr. Sheikh.
Lordship, we have taken step. The sole respondent, Lordship. Service report is awaited,
This
Lordship.
is what again quashing?
Yes, Lordship. This
Consensual.
quashing of CR case.
Consensual quashing or
No, this is a complaint case, Lordship.
Yes.
This is a dispute between husband and wife and the family members of the wife, Lordship.
okay? There is an interim order.
Yes,
in
Lordship. Yes, Lordship.
Now, domestic violence case act.
Lordship,
because they
this
are in
is
outside state and all.
Yes, Lordship. And because the complaint was filed on the allegation that the petitioner are misusing the Stridhan, Lordship.
Anyway, what is to be done about?
My Lord, another 2 weeks time may be given, Lordship, so that on the next date I can get the status report and file it appropriate affidavit.
Okay. We should indicate that service of notice upon the sole respondent is yet to be received. Stop. Next.
In fact,
Await service report. List after 2 weeks.
there is an interim order, Lordship.
Interim order passed earlier. Interim order, if any, passed earlier shall continue till the next date.
Master.
Hearing item number 10.
Yes.
This matter pertains to Section 354 of the IPC, Your Lordship, whereby the complainants in this case, Your Lordship, they have approached the petitioner to compromise the case, Your Lordship. So on the last occasion, Your Lordship, a state was supposed to obtain instructions, Your Lordship.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Guru. If you come this side, if you have to make submission, yes.
Admittedly, my lord, there is a compromise between the parties, my lord. There are 2 FIRs, my lord. Same kind of allegation, my lord. The second FIR is treated as supplementary FIR, my lord.
In the same case.
My same case, my lord. Now, what has happened, my lord? The very statement of my lord, the first informant, my lord, it reveals that it is not only that she was the victim. There were some others were also. Kindly come to this page, my lord.
So there is otherwise some objection by the state.
My lord.
So have you filed any written objection? No.
My lord, if lordship will.
You intend to file?
My lord, a week time, my lord.
Mr. Lindo, then you will let them file objection.
My Lordship, the complainants do not want to pursue the case anymore. We are.
No.
Your Lordship.
No. We understand, my lord. We understand, my
We'll
lord.
come to you with this.
It is not that simple, my lord.
Yes.
For the fact that there are 2 informants, my lord. They have entered into compromise with the accused, my lord.
There are
But
2
the
informants.
my lord. Complainants. 2 complainants, 2 FIRs, my lord. Now, my lord, in the FIR itself, it reveals that there are some other victims also. Whether they can enter into compromise on behalf of the other victims. That is the subject matter of the trial, my lord.
Is it?
Yes, my lord. Kindly come to my lord.
Where is the FIR? And where it is pointed out that?
My lord, kindly come to page
50. 50, Your Lordship.
This is an offence under section 354.
354.
354, Your Lordship.
And then the petitioner is female.
Female.
Female, Your Lordship.
And who is
And the complainants of
victim?
Also female, my lord.
Female, Your Lordship.
But my lord, 354, I beg to submit, my lord. It's gender neutral, my lord.
That is what I understand, sir. But then gender neutral doesn't mean that always gender neutral case should come, isn't it?
My lord, here, my lord, the charge sheet, brief facts of the case is at page 66, which reveals there are some other victims also, my lord.
Page 66.
My lord.
No, some other victims means, have they filed any FIR?
No, my lord, but the...
No, they
Then let it be heard then.
Let it be heard, my lord.
Yes. Let it be heard. We will take into consideration what Mr. Gurung also says. Yes. See, Mr. Lindo, just because you have entered into an agreement doesn't mean that we should overlook the submission made by the state. So that also has to be considered,
Yes.
isn't it?
Lordship, if I may make a small submission of Your Lordship, this a Supreme Court judgment, Your Lordship, whereby it's related to 354 case, Your Lordship. If my colleague, Your Lordship, can give a copy to Your Lordships and
Are you
my
ready
fellow
for
colleagues,
hearing?
Your Lordship.
Are you ready for hearing? You are conducting hearing from a vehicle. It's a moving vehicle.
No, it's not a moving vehicle, Your Lordship. I mean, it's stationary vehicle, Your Lordship. Then, Your Lordship, if I may, like, I can come and appear in person, Your Lordship, argue the case in person, Your Lordship.
We'll have it after
If
a
it-
week, my lord.
Okay.
My lords, in the meantime, I pray if the state can file the objections, Your Lordship, and copy can be given to us also.
Do you intend to file?
My lord, we'll go for hearing, my lord.
Okay. We'll have it. If they do not file written objection, there is no problem in it.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Advantage by that. At least they cannot bring any contrary facts, isn't it? So,
Yes, Your Lordship.
okay. On prayer with the parties. When can we have it? When? After 1 week? Or
After a week.
No, after a week it's a holiday. Holidays. So we'll have after 2 weeks.
prayer with the parties. This is matter after 2 weeks. Come, appear.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Appear physically, Mr. Lindo. That will be better.
Yes, Your Lordship, I'll be there,
You are a
Your Lordship, on the
local
next
council,
day.
there should not be any difficulty.
Yes, Your Lordship, I'll be there, Your Lordship.
This is no other matter.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.